So in this video, I am going to show you 6 helpful resources to help you save or give you money right away. So stay tuned. We're going to jump right into this and get going. Income disclaimer. There are no guarantees concerning the level of business or financial success you may experience in the strategy mentioned in this video. There is no guarantee that you will make any income at all, and you, the viewer, accept the risk that the earnings and income levels differ by individuals using this strategy. Anything mentioned in this video about sales, income, or money is, for example, and entertainment purposes only. Viewer discretion is advised, and if one should undertake this strategy, do not expect immediate results. This does require you to work and keep working. Again, results will vary. Doing this method, you may make lots of money or nothing at all. If your results are zero, you agree that you will hold YouTube, myself, and this channel harmless because you assume the role of the business owner once you start this method. If you don't agree to these terms, simply turn off this video and do not engage in this strategy and have a nice day. If you agree to these terms, then by all means, keep this rolling and remember to do the work. Okay, let's get on to how this works. But before we begin, please subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon down below so you can get push notifications when I put up a new video, and please like, share, and comment. We would appreciate that because it helps the algorithm. I'm going to show you step by step, so please follow along and do not skip ahead in this video. It is crucial that you follow these steps. So again, we're going to show you 6 helpful resources to save you or give you money right away. And what I would like you to do is grab a piece of paper so you can write down these resources, or please save this important video so you can use it as a reference. Do whatever you can because this information is really fantastic. Now, disclaimer, I am not a banker. I am not a financial planner. I don't have any licenses in this, but what I am doing is just sharing this information that I got off the web, and I thought this was really, really important to share with you, my subscribers on this channel. So if you've not subscribed, please do that now. Click that button down there that says subscribe, hit that little bell icon, and then select all so you can get all notifications every single time I put out a video. I have a lot of information that I'd like to share. I know I've been out of pocket for a little bit, but you know what? I'm back, and it's great to be here. So let's start off with what these resources are. They are websites that you can go. Now, another disclaimer: I don't know if these websites are worldwide or not, but check them out anyways to make sure. So the first resource I want to share with you is basically, and I worked for this organization a long time ago as a camp counselor. It's called the United Way. Now, hold on a second before you click off. Don't click off. This is really, really good information. If you need money right now, you need to make sure that you put in your location to see if it is available. But basically, you can go over here and get a grant and apply for one, something that's modest. And it's just designed for people who are just over the poverty line but need money now. So let's go to this website. It starts here. It connects you to an expert caring help, and the call is very confidential. So what are you looking for today? This one is a little bit more involved, and it's not just about money, okay? It's about where you can find food, okay? Where you can find mental health. If you're new in the U.S. and you need some information, they got that here. Your local 211, okay? This phone call has given people help more than they ever thought possible. So it's gotten many connections. Look at this, 27.8 million and growing. So basically, you partner with them, and they can provide basically a conduit to connect people to other resources. All right. So they've partnered with the Ad Council, IBM, Lyft if you need a ride, family-wise as well. But you can go on here and you can basically enter your location, see if it's available, and get help. There's nothing wrong with asking for help. Let's click one of these. So find help near you. Simply call 211 to speak to someone now or search by location. All right, if you need help, there are people out there. If you need mental help, they're out there. These people will get you connected. If you need money, these people will get you connected. It starts here, okay? If you are a business and you want to provide a service, this is where you can start and provide services to people who need help, okay? So anyways, I just wanted to show this to you real quick because it basically is a conduit and it connects people to services, okay? You could probably get a grant and apply for one online. These people will help you find where to get that grant, okay? So the next one I want to show you, and it's very interesting. And I know before you click off, I just want to get this out of the way. But if you need money right now and you don't want to do the 211.org, which is, oh, by the way, part of the United Way, and that's the service I used to work for as a camp counselor at one of their camps. Anyways, here's the next one. Survey Junkie. Take surveys and get paid. All right? What's cool about this is that they will you'll take a survey, you'll earn rewards, and then you get paid. I do believe this is available worldwide, but it really depends on they're going to ask you a certain question so that they can basically pigeonhole you into certain surveys. All right, that's how they all work. But they got Trustpilot. Survey Junkie provides an interesting way to make some money. It's fun, entertaining, informational, thought-provoking, and rewarding. Just took some honest hard work, but I had fun doing it. Got my first PayPal payout. Thank you for Survey Junkie. All right, so let's go and click how it works. You take surveys. Right? Earn rewards, get paid. We've already seen that. But you also get paid with Amazon gift cards, Target gift cards, and of course everybody's favorite, PayPal. All right? So go ahead and sign up with Survey Junkies and get paid. All right? Some people make maybe $5, $10, but basically what you want to do is you want to set that money aside and save for a rainy day. All right. So another thing that you can do, another resource that you can go to is, well, you know what? Cancel your car insurance. Now hold on. I know that sounds like a shocker, but basically, did you know that you can save $500 per year? I sound like one of those car insurance companies, but you know what? It's true. So what you want to do is, let's see if there's better rates out there for car insurance. And here's how you do it. CheapRatesOnline.com. It's CheapRatesOnline.com. You put in your zip code here and you hit Get Started. And all you have to do is provide a little information about yourself and the vehicle, and they will match you up with thousands of possible insurance policies, and you can get your savings. So it's a pretty simple thing. So hey, it could save you, $500 on your car insurance per year. All right. Another thing that you can do is rent a space in your house, and you can start by going to neighbor.com. All right. Give your RV a home, not just a storage unit. Give your gear a home, not just a storage unit. Give your boat a home, not just a storage unit, etc., etc. Basically, what you can do is rent space for people to store their stuff in. So if you have an extra room and it's not being utilized, why not use it as a storage facility for someone else who needs it and rent that space out? Okay? So you can check it out here. Or if you have space in your garage, or space in your parking lot. Now, I don't know about the insurance and stuff like that. You'd have to check that out. But it would be an interesting way of making a little money on the side. Okay? So check it out. It's called neighbor.com. And it's great. Let's say, for instance, a student is going to take a year abroad, and instead of putting all their stuff into a very expensive storage facility, why not rent it out to a student who needs to store his stuff or her stuff while they're away? Just an interesting concept. I thought that would be kind of cool. It's another way of making money. And you could start it right chump and connect with these people. All right, so that's pretty it. I mean, it's really cool. It's more control over location. It's month to month, no pesky paperwork, and talk as easy as texting. All right. So here's a 10 by 10 driveway, and you can see how much they're making. They got a bedroom for $100 a month, $75 a month for an attic. Hey, why not? Why not? Turn the space you already have into cash. Post for free today and earn thousands in passive income. Okay? And this has become a neighbor host. Pretty cool. All right, so the next one, why not get your credit cards paid off? Now, those high-interest credit cards, well, there's a website called Happy Money. Happy Money. Happy Money. It's a good thing. So basically, you apply for a personal loan to pay off all your credit cards. And you can get a loan between $5,000 and $40,000. You can pay it off in 2 to 5 years, or maybe even sooner, and rates start at 5.99%. Wait, what? That's low. So grab your credit card information. All right? Find out what the APR is on those cards and compare it to this. All right? Are you doing that? Hey, and if you have any questions, you can chat with someone for free over here. So it's very simple. With a single fixed payment and a set-off paid-off date, a payoff loan streamlines paying off credit card debt. You can also save thousands of dollars because of their low interest rate. And that's the biggie. And by paying off debt with the payoff loan, some members have actually increased their FICO score up to 40 plus points. So there's a lot of benefits getting those credit cards off of your back. You got to remember that anytime you take out a credit card, you are now a slave to the bank. These people are going to help you not only get those creditors off your back, but also save you money in the long run. So this is a very, very cool resource, a very important resource, because the amount of credit cards that people have right now is astounding. And it's a cancer. It's a trap. I don't have any credit cards, and I don't want any credit cards, and that's why it's a trap. So here's a great way to get out from underneath that debt and save you money in the long term. So check them out. All right. I mean, they're listed on Forbes, so obviously this is a very credible company. All right, the next one. So we've gotten rid of your car insurance. We have partnered with a United Way to get some help. You've done the survey thing. You've rented out space, and you've taken a personal loan to pay off the credit card debt. What's the last one that you need to do? How about get an alert if you are overpaying on Amazon or Target.com? You've probably seen this advertised with Samuel L. Jackson, but it is really, really a great resource. And of course, it's done by a credit card company called Capital One Shopping. So that I'm not going to show it to you because it's advertised out the wazoo, but go ahead and check it out. So basically, anytime you are on Amazon and you have this browser on your this browser add-on, you'll get alerted if there's a better deal. Okay, and it'll give you maybe even a coupon, and you put in the coupon code and saves you some money that way. All right, I don't use it personally, but it's there for people who are hurting, but they want to find out the best deals out there, and it's a smart way of doing it. It's called Capital One Shopping. All right, the last one, of course, is to subscribe to my channel. Every single time I put up a new video, I want to make sure that alert is on, so you get alerted when I do that. And then check out the video. And also, please share this information with everybody you know. Put a nice comment down below as well. And also, smash that like button. All right? So I hope you got some great information here. And we'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye, guys.
Thank you for watching today's video. Please smash that like button. Please share this video with everyone you know. Hit the share buttons down below. Leave a nice comment down there and say hi. Tell us where you're from. Last but certainly not least, please subscribe to my channel. And turn on the notifications by clicking that little bell icon so you know when we put up a new video, like that. You are awesome. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Bye, guys.